My wife loves escape rooms, so imagine how thrilled she's going to be when she wakes up and sees that I have turned our entire smart home into an escape room. Yeah, now that I say it out loud, this could backfire spectacularly, but I had a lot of fun with it, so let me show you what's going on. In her stocking, she's going to find this pen. When she opens her present from Santa, it will be in this box for a smart lock we already own, but inside she'll find this thing, which is a tusk from an elephant statue that is in our basement guest bedroom. There is also a motion sensor in there that will trigger this message on the HomePod.
Ho ho ho. Merry Christmas, Kelly. I hope you enjoy your wonderful gifts so far. But if you are up for adventure, these gifts have clues that will unlock something even more fabulous. Merry Christmas.
When she goes to investigate the elephant in the basement, she'll discover the doorknob to the basement has been replaced with a lock. The code to unlock it is on the pen from her stocking. Once she figures that out, she'll go to the basement bedroom only to discover that there's a lock on that door too. The clue to that code is the box for her present. That's the box from the Lockley Visage lock that was on the front of our house, but it is currently on a lock testing rig for an upcoming video that's in our basement. Now because that lock has facial recognition, all she has to do is look at it and it will unlock. When it does, that will trigger the Amazon Echo Dot in the basement to play a song that is the clue for the lock on the door. Now, I can't play it because of a copyright, but if you're older than 40, you can probably figure out what song it was by looking at the code. Once that door is unlocked, she'll see that the tusk on the elephant has been replaced with a contact sensor. When she fiddles with that contact sensor, it will turn on this green light on the other corner of the room. Now this is a clue to look in the nightstand where she will find a set of keys and the iPad. Of course, the iPad passcode has been changed. Now to get that code, she'll have to find the Alfred lock that the key belongs to and unlock it. That will again trigger the Amazon Echo to play a song. This time the song is Happy Birthday, and that's the clue to enter her birthday as the iPad passcode. And I really hope she enjoys the escape room adventure I created for her because her gift is a subscription to an escape room in a box. Well, I am pleased to report that with a couple of hints, my wife did successfully complete the escape room and find her gift. Now, I will admit I did overestimate her enthusiasm for doing an escape room at 7 a.m. on Christmas morning, but I think she appreciated the effort. And while you may not have 16 smart locks sitting in your basement, maybe this video does inspire you to use the devices you have to create your own sort of mischief at home. So hope that helps. Hope you had fun. We'll see you next time.